everyone. Today we are going to start with a new topic which is the rate of change of motion. So as you know, in the universe all the objects they are not moving equally. Equally means some they are moving fast while others they are moving slow. So to judge the rate of motion in the physics we use these two terms. One is the speed and the next one is the velocity. These two terms give us an idea that how much faster or how much slower an object moves. Now the question arises and that question is why there is a need to understand the concept of speed and velocity. So as we know, these two terms give us an idea that how fast an object moves and how slow an object moves. Quite a few times it is we need to know out of two objects which one is moving faster. Let me give you one example. If number of vehicles they are moving on the road in the same direction, then we can easily find out which one is moving faster. But if the vehicles they are moving in the opposite direction, that we may not be able to find out which one is moving faster. So to judge the motion in different direction, there is a need to understand the concept of speed and velocity. Okay, so now let's start with the topic speed. As we know, some object moves faster while some other moves slower. So to describe the motion, either they move faster or they move slower, there is a term used in the physics and that term is speed. So what is speed? Speed is defined as the distance traveled per unit time. So how we will write the formula of speed? Speed is equals to distance upon time. Okay, so what is the SI unit of speed? As we have discussed, distance is measured in meter and time is measured in second. तो speed का SI यूनिट क्या हुआ? Speed का SI यूनिट क्या हुआ? मीटर पर सेकेंड. Okay, as in the speed we are not able to find out in which direction the object is moved, and earlier we have discussed the physical quantity in which direction is not mentioned. That physical quantity is known as the scalar quantity. So speed is a scalar quantity. Okay, so this was all about the speed. Now as we know, in our daily life the objects they move in non-uniform motion. For example, you may take the example of the traffic. In the traffic, different vehicles move with the different speed, means they cover unequal distance in equal intervals of time. Okay, so that is the example of non-uniform motion. So how we can find out their average speed? So what is average speed? Then we may give the average speed as the total distance divided by टोटल टाइम टेकन, कि कितने ऑब्जेक्ट्स ने कार ने कितने डिस्टेंस को ट्रेवल किया, हाउ मच टाइम कंज्यूम्ड, एंड बस ने कितने टाइम में कितना डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल किया. तो हम क्या करते हैं, हम एवरेज फाइंड आउट करते हैं. तो एवरेज स्पीड क्या होगा? नेक्स्ट इज द एवरेज स्पीड. हाउ वी विल फाइंड आउट द एवरेज स्पीड? सो एवरेज स्पीड इज रिटन एज द टोटल डिस्टेंस अपॉन total time taken. Okay, again the SI unit is same because distance is measured in meter while the time is measured in second. So it will be again meter per second. And as we have discussed, in speed there is no direction. Means with the help of distance and time, we can easily find out that how much fast or slow an object is moving. But in which direction the object is moving, we can find out the direction of the object. Means in which direction the object is moving, there we will use another term, and that term is known as the velocity. So what is velocity? Velocity is defined as the distance traveled per unit time but in a particular direction. आप either लिख सकते हो कि distance in a particular direction, or you may use the term displacement. So I am here writing as the displacement per unit time. Okay, or you may also write down as the distance traveled by the object per unit time in a particular direction. Again, what will be its SI unit? So SI unit is displacement is measured in meter and time is measured in second. So it will be meter per second. And as we know, here we are including the magnitude as well as direction. So velocity is a physical quantity. ओके, और फिजिकल क्वांटिटी है तो हम क्या करेंगे, दिस इज अ सिंबल v एंड दिस सिंबल इज represented in this way, means v and vector, while in case of speed there will be only v. Vector we will not use. Why we will not use? Because here direction is not mentioned. Okay, so today what we have discussed that why there is a need to study the speed and velocity. It's just a recap, and after that we have studied that either object moves faster or slower, where we will use the term speed. After that we have discussed the average speed, because in our daily life there are non-uniform motion. And next one, if the objects they are moving slower or faster, if we have to find out the direction, then we will use the term velocity, and velocity was displacement per unit time. So this was all about today's. With this, thanks to